RPGShow Lifestyle collection. 12 inches, silky with a light brown lace. These knots are barely bleached. We're gonna have a whole evening ahead of us to address that situation. All right, let's try her on. Wow, my brains are being smushed. I love those videos where girls throw on these wigs like fresh out of the bag and they look amazing. I look like a 90s heartthrob. It's giving Boy Meets World. Let's see if we can finesse this. I just want to stress how irritated I am that I got this wig from RPG Show. They're supposed to be one of the better wig companies. All the videos that I've seen, people are like, oh my God, these wigs are like ready out the bag. Like, you can pop it on your head and go. Cut the lace, sis. I'm getting like a little bit of Joe Dirt. You know what I mean? Are we so for real right now? RPG Show, you're wrong for this. I like a challenge. I like a wig challenge. I'm gonna make this ugly wig cute. Where's the wolf cut? I'm going to bleach these roots. I'm gonna wash it. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna figure it out. What a journey this wig has taken me on. My hair spo was the wolf cut that Jenna Ortega is currently sporting in a beautiful auburn color. I had to do it, I had to try it. So I managed to get this to look a little something like something, you know. I'm still perfecting, so bear with me. So I followed the Brad Mondo fringe bang tutorial, and then I followed it with the wolf cut tutorial, and then I kind of did a little bit of a butterfly cut, and we're just Edward Scissorhands right now. So essentially, I split the bangs in half and over directed, did a little snip snip, got it to the length where it was just sort of grazing my eyes. I do like to leave it a little bit longer so that when I bump it, it bumps to like the perfect eyeball zone. The one thing I don't love about this wig is that the bangs come over really far to the side. I've kind of been going in and just doing a nice little angled cut. I mean, like little baby cuts, you know? And then it doesn't look so square. These cute little pixie sideburn things that that was like the number one thing I loved about her haircut. I took all of the face framing hair and again, just like you do with the curtain bang, over direct it, trim it. I kind of went slow to see where I wanted it to hit my face. I let these kind of hang a little bit past my chin so that when I curled it, and then these kind of like right where my cheekbone should be. Yes. I went in with my toe up, beat up Paul Mitchell curling wand. This is a 1 inch. Where Jenna has that volume, I just went in and took random pieces, did a little boot to boot, and just let it fall a little bit so it's not like super curled. This side is doing something that I don't really know what or why. I feel like that. Whatever. You can take your wig off and shake it and get her like matted and nasty. And it's gonna be a look. It's gonna be a look. I'm very excited to order another wig from them. I'm just gonna go into it knowing that I'm gonna have to be Edward Scissorhands about it. And that's fine because they gave me a good starting place, I think. Overall, love this wolf cut wig. Would recommend if you are handy with some scissors and you have the patience. I bleached the scalp because So I'll show that to you since people care about that. But I mean, you know, if you don't have a jacked up hairline like me, it probably looks fantastic. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And thanks for watching.